Alright, today we're gonna show how we clean and quickly season a cast iron pan. So here's a pan. It's not very dirty, but we're gonna wash it and see how it goes. Okay, so there's a lot of oil on there. You can take a napkin, wipe it off, so you don't have to put a lot of soap on it to clean it. There's actually a little bit of food stuck on there, but that's okay. So now after that, we'll just wet it a little bit and get your regular Scotch-Brite's fine, and you can use the rough side if you like. And we want to just scrub it clean. The key is not to scrub off all the coating or the pre-seasoning that's on there, but this is to scrub off any food that's stuck on here, because that's gonna just char when we cook, right? So you can wash a handle if you like, if it's greasy. The back side of the pan doesn't really need to be washed, but if you like, you could do it the same. So just rinse it off. And what you want to do is now rinse it off really clean. We don't want to be eating soap in our pan, so got one hand only, so it's a little tough to do, but let's rinse it off real quick. Rinse it backside so you don't be cooking soap and smoking that in your face. It's really heavy. Oh. Okay. Now, drain that. Okay. So now we take this over and we're just gonna put it on the hottest fire. Heat up quickly. I got it on 8 right now. And it should heat up within a minute or two. And in the meantime, I'm gonna come over here, grab a new napkin, and we can help this out by drying it off first. Okay. Dry off this whole skillet. It's starting to get hot already. It's fine. You can see this seasoning has been scraped off somewhere over here, and not so much over here. That's fine. It's doesn't hurt it. It's just steep. It's just iron. You can't hurt it. So now we'll take oil. This is just olive oil, but if you like, you can use a higher temperature oil. We just want to drizzle a little bit. We want to season. We're not cooking today right now, so just season this. And again, I need a clean paper towel or a napkin, and we just want to spread that over the key is to spread this oil as much as you can to make a coating on top of it. Now I think my paper towel absorbed way too much oil, so let's do a little bit more. Alright. Okay, so you can see there's a little bit of rust color, but it's fine. It's just iron. If you eat it, that's just iron for your diet. It's not gonna hurt you. As long as there's no other chemical in there, it's fine. So now we're just gonna wait till it heats, and you should see it smoke. So you can't really see the smoking right now, but when it gets beyond the boiling point for the oil, it's gonna start smoking, and then we're gonna want to turn on our hood so it doesn't smoke up the house. And at that point, that's when you want to turn off the fire. So let's give this another minute and see if it's actually going to be hot enough. Probably have to fast forward this in the video. So the hottest fire. Now you can also kind of tell how hot it is by just taking a little bit of water and splashing it on the pan. See how that's pretty much above boiling right now as far as the pot's concerned, but for the oil it's still got some ways to go. Now this is to season the pan. Now, if your pan is already seasoned, you don't really need to heat the pan until it smokes. Just light coat of oil on there is good enough to prevent it from rusting until you cook next time. So let's see, it should be almost there. You can actually feel the heat. If you put your hand on it, the handle will be getting pretty hot soon. See if it's smoking. Not yet. Got a little bit of extra oil on the side, so I don't use this. Oops, I got water in there. Not good. Alright, let's wipe it again. Alright, I think you can kind of see the smoke in the video. I'm not sure if you can, but maybe from a different angle. But I'm gonna turn on the hood. Oops. Can't see the smoke, you're gonna take my word for it, but basically the oil is starting to burn off, and you want to let it do that for a little bit. And what it does is it actually creates an oxide layer on top of the pan, and then as you do that more and more often, it'll get a thicker layer, and that becomes, oh there you go, you can kind of see the smoke now. That becomes a non-stick layer that you can cook food on and not worry about the food sticking. All right, that's it.